In today's fast-paced world, businesses need to innovate and deploy applications quickly. Hybrid multi-cloud database as a service helps you provision and manage databases in a quick and secure manner, resulting in accelerated application development. In this video, we'll talk about how hybrid database as a service can leverage the power of both on-premises and cloud to provide a DevOps model of database management. Enterprise Manager enables you to centrally monitor and manage your entire database estate, no matter where your database resides. It could be on-premise or on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, including the Autonomous Database, Exadata Cloud Service, or Exadata Cloud Customer. EM provides a single pane of glass for database management. The hybrid database as a service also helps enable self-service provisioning, thereby simplifying your database deployment process. You can effortlessly provision databases across your hybrid environment. You also get a cost transparency and granular insights into resource consumption with EM's metering and chargeback capabilities. It helps you make informed decisions and allocate charges to the right teams based on consumption. You can bridge the gap between EM and OCI with Cloud Bridge to get deep insights into operational analytics for better control. As a whole, EM simplifies hybrid database management, offering a complete visibility to your environment, a self-service model of database management, cost optimization, and also deep operational analytics. Now, let us see about hybrid database as a service in further detail. Enterprise Manager Hybrid Database as a Service leverages and helps you consolidate resources across your environment, which can range from on-premises, Exadata Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and other public clouds to form a dedicated private cloud known as hybrid multi-cloud. You can deploy a DevOps model of database management on your hybrid multi-cloud environment known as hybrid database as a service. And it helps you break down the silos between the database administrators and developers. The solution also integrates seamlessly with your existing DevOps tools and orchestration engines. You can automate repetitive tasks and enable a self-service user to provision and manage databases on their own in a secure and standardized manner. Talking about benefits, hybrid database as a service consolidates your on-premises and cloud databases into a single unified platform. This simplifies management and reduces complexity. You can also scale up and scale down your resources based on consumption. And we strongly believe standardization is key to efficient database management. Hybrid database as a service helps you enforce consistent configuration across your entire database landscape. It helps in minimizing errors and it ensures optimal performance of all your database assets. Integration with your DevOps tools and orchestration engines helps in automating the repetitive tasks like provisioning, patching, upgrade, clone, and backups, so on and so forth. Consolidating your resources, enabling standardization, automating repetitive tasks, and enabling a self-service method of database management leads to a significant reduction in your capital expenditure and operational expenditure. Database as a service today supports different kind of database configurations across different service tiers, and it can be set up across a wide range of infrastructure ranging from commodity server to a purpose-built engineer system. We provide REST APIs, EMCLI, and also a comprehensive UI, and depending on your requirement or a practice in your data center, can leverage either of it to perform and automate repetitive end-to-end deployment operations. And if you have DevOps tools like Ansible, Puppet, or Terraform, you can call into these REST APIs for deploying a DevOps model of database management. Service templates play a very important role in customizing database as a service. You can also standardize the service offerings by creating catalogs of different types of DBs like single instance, rack, or a multi-tenant, the way the IT department can take advantage of it. So with service definitions, you can define service tiers to simplify your offering. You can establish the technical footprint for each service tier. It could be a small, medium, or large. And with DB service tiers, for example, can be like for provisioning a 19C PDB on your database running on OCI, you can call it a platinum template. or you could give it any name which resonates with that functionality. Or for provisioning a 19C PDB on a specific Exadata machine, you could give it a name as gold, and so on and so forth. Using Service Catalog, you can create a collection of standardized services available to selected consumers for on-demand self-service provisioning. Database administrators often face the challenge of efficiently cloning the large mission-critical databases to support the continuous demands by application teams. And it is more challenging when you have to clone very large databases, and given the fact that multiple such clones are often required for each production database to support ongoing development and test activities. It is also important that cloning process have zero impact to the production database. While the basic method of creating a clone is to restore a database from a recent backup onto a different server or onto the same database server, it is quickly obvious how such an approach is highly time consuming, especially when you're dealing with databases which are hundreds of gigabytes or sometimes with even terabytes of size of data. SnapClone provides a storage agnostic approach to creating rapid and space efficient clones of large databases by leveraging storage copy on write technology. Enterprise Manager provides the ability to create SnapClone either from the administrative dashboard or from the self-service portal with instant cloning, minimal space utilization, and a quick production data refresh with also an ability to mask sensitive data. We are also excited to announce that Oracle Enterprise Manager 13.5 is now available as an app on Oracle Cloud Marketplace. This means customers who are interested in trying the latest version of EM 13.5 without having to provision on-premise hardware have an easy path to start working with a fully configured, updated EM instance with minimal installation efforts. This latest release of the app makes it possible to quickly deploy Enterprise Manager with just a few clicks. The use of OCI Resource Manager stack allows deployment of both Enterprise Manager and its underlying infrastructure in variety of shapes and sizes. Oracle Enterprise Manager 13.5 as an app is now available in all regions. It supports both single node and multi-node configurations using Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Resource Manager stack. This latest release of the app makes it possible to quickly deploy both test drive and production ready application environments of Enterprise Manager with just a few clicks. You can see that Oracle Enterprise Manager can be used for multi-cloud environments. For other public clouds like AWS or Azure, first make sure you set up the network connectivity between Enterprise Manager and the public cloud environment. You will need to follow instructions specified in a documentation for discovery of the Oracle databases hosted in public cloud environments into Enterprise Manager. Once discovered, you'll be able to monitor Oracle database using most of the Enterprise Manager monitoring features. Hence, your existing EM monitoring setup, which may include the use of administrative groups with template collections, metric extensions, using groups in your incident rule sets, all of these should work seamlessly, enabling you to continue to use EM as a single monitoring and management tool for your multi-cloud Oracle estate. In summary, Enterprise Manager is your one management tool for hybrid multi-cloud environment where your database could be in traditional data center, commodity hardware, Exadata Cloud Customer, Exadata Cloud Service, and other public cloud entities. As a result of one management tool model, your team gets a consistent user experience and no new skill to be learned for managing databases in on-premise, XSEC, or XSES or other hybrid cloud environments. So it is a one playbook as opposed to multiple playbook approach to secure your assets and be compliant with audit policies. And you also have agility and a faster time to market by deploying hybrid database as a service. There are a lot of resources available to get into the detail of each of these solutions. Here are some links to the collateral. I highly recommend to check out these blogs, how-to videos, and live labs for more detail. Thanks, everyone.